Hello beauties, welcome back again to another video with Tessie. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing great. This video, my darling people, now about this our Edo sister when in this picture. So this our Edo sister, her name na Ellie Pule, na actress. She dey have for all those Edo movies. When I see this post for Facebook, they say she know where. I was so shocked, like what they happen to her. How come her two eyes don't close already? So now one of our sisters still post am for her page when I say see her. And then I can read comments for them. I know say I like reading comments. That one I know if you do without I don't read comments. So any comment they did my comment section, I they read that. So now I can't read that. As I read that, then I can't say the girl nowhere. Say don't tell when the girl is sick. As I see her, my darling people, the thing really pain my mind. This one still dey alive now. He never get ROIP. Not be after he don't get ROIP, I go carry her come here. I need to bring her now when she still dey alive. She dey hospital bed. Una know Nigeria. If you not bring money come, they not go treat you. My darling people, I beg. Nothing is too small. Now I can't know, but I be this one direct. 1 naira, it counts. Your 1 naira fit save life. You don't say when this our actress they sick. If you see this video, watch, help me share her. Ellie Pule need help. Now play, so we all look and we can still hear another story. I pray make we not hear another story for her body. This girl na girl way, she's always happy. She dey always dey hang out with this Akobe. No song when Akobe go sing when this lady no dey near and they dance follow am. Fine lady, now pictures now they see. So when she never start to dey sick. For the comment section, they say she's a lovely woman, very quiet. They say that time when she never dey sick, many of her colleagues love her, but now they not can understand what they happen. No help. Edo actress, Edo actor. All the AIs group have been na AIs have been. I don't know one they call now for that Edo because they get one group like that. Whether na AIs or AIs, I don't know. They get group like that. All the Edo actors and actresses they go there. They ever do end of year party that day. They say this lady though they sick before they ever go do end of year party. I bet my darling people. Make we not leave her for only. I beg, we save this woman life. She still dey breathe. She dey hospital bed. She need help. Your 1 naira counts. Your 1 euro counts. Any money when you get, I beg my darling people, use her, help her. If you not still get to help, I beg, help me share this video. If you share and reach another person, if you be say she will come jump, I help her when go help her. This kind of matter, I don't know where our governor dey. Now our governor, all those people when get money, when they throw away bundle, they go their party, they go they throw away bundles of money. Now so OKH that day, if not be God, we still rescue OKH. This one our Edo sister. I beg my darling people. No look and say, oh, you not be Edo, make this no level. You see Edo people, we not to love ourselves. Truth is bitter. We not love ourselves. Because this woman, she know where. I know many of Edo actors and actresses. When if they go party, they put money for help. That money when they put for help, they use her to pay for treatment for Ellie Pule. She for not did this condition when she did so. Before they go put this picture online, you know say, the family, they don't tire. The small money where they get. And I know say for that Edo movie industry. Money not today, no level. You see those one where they build us, they'll say now they are hurting. Not be only hurting, they hurt say they see their money. Many get business when they do for inside handle. Why some of them, their family members, their husband to be, that they go do Igbo. Now those one get those household at the scene. Movie industry for Edo. No money, or they constantly know people when you know person when you get money. From there, those one umbrella will still cover them. No level. This woman, how many drama she ever dey had that time. Any of her movies when I don't watch, she dey funny. I beg my darling people, make una help me share this video. Elipule need help. She need help. Not be small matter na I hold this woman. Wetin she dey sick of her, not be small thing, my darling people. My mouth no go ever fit talk wetin she dey pass through now. Pain, no money. Anything at all go fit save her life. Help me share this video. If you no get to put for this account for her, share this video. If you still know her in person, you know her family house, I beg, go ask of her. Go still check on her. If you still see people around her, you know say sometimes when person no well, loneliness will delete the person. If you see they see people around her, you go still they give her hope, say she's not alone. If you know her family house, you know where she dey, you fit still go meet her there. Still could go give her na help you still there. Still go dey see her. If you still get solution, wetin she dey pass through, go feel like, oh, carry and go church. Anything when you know say you fit say help. If family members they need help, those money when they buy beer, they go club, use and content say so. May God bless you. Now this one need help. So go say I dey pay my tithe. Come pay your tithe in the life of this woman. I dey pay my offering. Come and pay your offering in the life of Elipule. She is a lovely sister. For the comment section, I don't see you just say the woman about them, all of them say, why they not help her? Why they not help her? They begin to mention names of people when they get money for that movie industry, where we say their children still there abroad, their husband, their wife, they still there upper hand, so doesn't enter politics. Why they not help her? Even so, ever say why governor Enonrega say Obaseki no help her. Not be everything our governor they see. Oh, if not be say I see her for social media, I be not know say she not well. I not gonna see her for movies. I just feel say maybe she not the heart again. Not say some of them they don't touch more money. They'll say they quit acting, but they face their normal business. I beg my darling people, help me share this video. I beg, make una help me share this video. She's still there alive. We can help her now. If you not get to put for the account for her, share the video. Share her for all your social media platforms. Share her, go anywhere where you know say you fit share this video, go. Where you know say she go fit get help. Where me know say she go fit get help, now be social media, now I still carry her come here. I still share her for my page. I know say I be small YouTuber, but if you be say person when you know person go share her. I beg my darling people, make una help me share this video. The hand when you will take share this video, God will bless her.